Hello. In this short video, I'll explain how to use the Innova when connected to a PC. This includes how to connect your device with PC Connection, how to use the Innova with AmpliSuite software, and how to transfer data. First, you need to connect your device to a PC via the USB-C cable. This will simply power the device. Then, launch the AmpliSuite software on your PC. Navigate to the tone screen and press the download icon. On doing this, you'll see a list of all the sessions on the device. Simply choose a session or sessions you wish to download and click OK. This function is available for all Innova configurations. For more information about the Innova and other Amplelock solutions, please visit our website.